Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Honda Odyssey 2011 to 2017, the driver's side. You've got a cover right behind that pull handle that's got two screws behind that. Phillips screws. If you need the part, you might check my website. I don't know if they're there yet or not, upanddownmainstreet.com. You're going to pop off that. You've got a switch housing there and a housing there. They come off pretty easy. You've got two screws, one there and one I'm going to miss right now. I'm going to try to take the panel off, but wait, there's one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There's one right there. Right there. Phillips screw. Take that off. Once you get the panel off, you've got a couple cables to remove on the other side. One of them just on clips, and the other one comes out. They both come out pretty easy. Shouldn't have any problem. You don't have to take off the entire moisture barrier, but I'm going to take it off just so you'll have clear viewing of what we're doing here. These are quite easy to do. It's a steel regulator and motor. The problem's probably the motor. If it's not working, you could probably bang it with a hammer to get it over down. I had been here before, and I put the window up for the customer, and then I came back to finish it off. So you get a 10mm bolt there, and a 10mm bolt there. And now, before I put the glass up, I'm going to spray some WD-40 in the two channels on the sides, up and down channels, the run channel. They dry out and cause the glass to grab. So a little dab will do you. You should always do that to your windows every 3 or 4 months, lightly. You don't have to soak it. Give it a light spray of WD-40 or Pam cooking spray or any kind of a clear spray silicone, nothing greasy. And then once you get that up, use a suction cup to hold it out of the way, or if you have some painter's tape, some of the blue or green painter's tape, you can put a strip of that on. It doesn't leave much of a mark. You've got a few 10mm bolts there, and you've got two 10mm nuts there. By the way, if this video is helpful, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That helps me a lot with YouTube, and it will help other people, such as yourselves, trying to find the same video on YouTube. It's much appreciated. No money needs to change hands. If you have any questions, ask them right here on this site. I'll be glad to answer them within a day. So we're going to put those back in. It's the new regulator motor assembly. Again, this is among the easier ones you're going to do. $10mm bolts, nuts, bolts, one more. There should be one more nut. Maybe I got it. Might have already gotten it. Bring the glass down. Line it up. The only thing you want to avoid here is stripping the screw holes on the clips on the glass. That's kind of important. You're not, so make sure it's lined up properly. If you do strip them, it'll be a real problem to deal with, but you're on your own at that point. Ha! So, everything's working great. Also, let me tell you how to reset the automatic. This may or may not work for you, depending on your situation. To reset the automatic up and down, close the door. After you have it all together, close the door, have the car running. Put your finger on the button to put the window up, and while holding your finger on the button, continue to hold it for about 12 or 15 seconds after it's already up. That should reset the automatic up. If not, what you're going to have is a situation where it goes up to the top and bounces down 3 or 4 inches. In which case you can certainly put it up again by using the switch at half pull. If you pull it halfway, it doesn't trigger the automatic part of it. It's just like a manual switch. But you get the idea. And you should be able to follow the rest of this without me. So call me if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help you out. And remember to like the video. Thanks again.